I'll get your attention, huh? You've probably seen some videos start out like that. You know, they put the big words on the screen with some flashy special effects and explosions. Maybe a Ferrari or a Lamborghini zooming by. A crazy party on a yacht with some women in bikinis and buffed out young men in Speedos. And then some hair-plugged cheeseball strolls up with a drink in his hand, looks into the camera and says something like, "Yo, you could be like me and live like this." And you're thinking, be like you? I want to get away from you. You damn sure want him to stay away from your daughters. Then they show you some big dollar proofs and tell you a story about how he lost his job, his wife, his house, his retirement, about how he slept in his car until he lost that. And then he was sharing a bottle with a guy under a bridge, and the man turns out to be an eccentric billionaire. They all hang out under bridges, right? The man gives him a flash drive that he takes to the library and plugs into a PC. And 10 minutes later, the librarian hands him a stack of hundreds and says, "This just came for you." And you believe every word of the story, right? Of course you didn't. But still, sometimes they got your money, didn't they? That's okay. You can keep that to yourself. Look, I know, somewhere in the back of your mind you're thinking, you're hoping, this will be the one. Not like the first 10 or 20 or 40 others you bought. I know I did. And more often than not, it was just another gimmicky pile of useless junk that just wasted my time and a lot more money. And there have been plenty of times when I didn't have any money to blow. So I'm guessing you'd rather not waste your money either, or your time. So I won't do either. And I won't tell you some fairy tale rags to riches BS. I'm going to get right to the point. I'm going to show you something today that will change your life forever. No, I'm not going to promise fast cars, fast women or men, or life in the fast lane. That's all up to you. What I will promise, though, is fast profits. Profits like these. When you're making $10,000, $15,000, even $20,000 per day or more, you've got options. Sure, you can choose fast cars and life in the fast lane. Or you can choose to spend your days in a hammock on a beach somewhere. Or you can build up a nice rainy day stash for some time in the future. Money like this is being made every day by normal, everyday people like me and you. It's something you've probably never even heard of. I'll tell you about it in just a couple of minutes. And it's got nothing to do with stocks or commodities, gambling or porn, websites or email spam, binary or coding, copywriting or real estate, outsourcing or flipping sites. It's not illegal or unethical or fraudulent in any way. And it's so simple and quick. I don't know the financial situation you're in. I don't know if you're doing okay or living in your in-law's basement on unemployment. What I do know is when you have the ability to make money like this, life can get really interesting and a lot of fun. And this is the opportunity that can change your life forever. I want to probably be the first to introduce you to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a new kind of money. It's an electronic and digital currency. A currency that's not controlled by a single government or any organization. In fact, it's that lack of control, the decentralization of Bitcoin, that gives it security and freedom. Bitcoin is a lot more efficient than other currencies. Dollars or euros or yen or whatever. Because the value is controlled by the marketplace, not by greedy bankers or corrupt, unstable governments. No one can crank up the printing presses and print more of them. I'll tell you more about where they come from in just a bit, though. The market value of Bitcoin is set by the market, the users, and it's growing more and more every day. The more it's used, the more valuable it becomes. You can use Bitcoin all over the world, in just about every type of business or transaction. and more merchants or services are taking Bitcoin payment every day. It's transferred from user to user over the internet, not through a bank or some other processor. It's a community-run system that isn't getting rich off deposits or withdrawals or transfers. Just like you can send a letter from using email, make a phone or video call for free using Skype. Bitcoin lets you send money to anyone, anywhere online for less than a penny per transaction. And there are even Bitcoin exchanges where you can exchange your Bitcoins for dollars or euros or any currency you want. There are a couple of ways to acquire Bitcoins. You can take them in payment for products or services, or you can make your own or mine them, as they say. To take Bitcoin for payment, all you need is a Bitcoin app. You can download them for free and start collecting. Of course, you need to be selling some products or services that people want to pay for. I don't know about you, but I'm lazy and I hate selling. And I don't want to mess around with websites or products or services or customers, or copywriting or AdWords or keywords or Google searches or advertising or marketing or checkout carts or refunds. I really don't have the time or the patience or the knowledge to get involved in any of that. Chances are you've already tried something like that. And how's that working out for you? You can mine Bitcoins, create them right on your computer because it's electronic currency, an algorithm. Bitcoins can be created almost out of thin air. But the algorithm is so complicated and takes so long to create that you'll wind up spending more on electricity to run your computer than you'll probably make in Bitcoins. There are some supercomputers out there built exclusively for Bitcoin mining, and if you've got 15 or 20 or 25 grand to spend on one, you might be able to mine enough Bitcoins to pay for the computer in 5 or 10 years. And because there's a limit on how many Bitcoins can be in circulation, to keep them from being devalued and the market from being flooded, mining Bitcoins isn't something that's going to make you rich or even break even. There is another way to make money with Bitcoins. Real money, real dollars, like this. That's profit in dollars. And that was made in one day. This is real dollars, real profits. People like you and me are making this kind of money every day, using the third way to profit from Bitcoins. The way I'm here to show you right now. Introducing the Bitcoin system. Bitcoin is a big business and getting bigger every day. The market is worth billions of dollars, and with the Bitcoin system, you'll quickly and easily be grabbing hold of a great big slice of that. And you barely have to do anything. Download this powerful, ingenious software. Just a couple of clicks of your mouse, and the Bitcoin system goes to work automatically, quickly, efficiently, and very profitably. You don't have to be rich to get started. You'll get rich soon enough, however. You don't have to be a techie, nerd, coding genius. I honestly could care less how it works. I just know it does. You don't need expensive computer hardware. We can leave that for the nerds. If you can watch this video, you've got enough hardware. You don't need hours or days or weeks of training. The smarts is in the software. You just let it run. You don't need to spend a lot of time. After just a couple of minutes to download and install the software, it takes it from there. You don't need connections. The software doesn't care who you know. An internet connection is all you'll need. You don't need a college degree or even a high school diploma. Again, everything you need is built into this amazing program. With this completely automated software working for you behind the scene 24/7, you'll be banking profits like this. These are dollars, real dollars, and they'll be yours with the Bitcoin system. How does it work? I can't tell you here. What I can tell you is there's nothing illegal, nothing fraudulent, Nothing to do with gambling. Nothing that will keep you up nights worrying about the SEC, NSA, the FBI, or any other initials. It's got nothing to do with websites, or selling anything, or real estate, or Forex, or stocks, or binary. The Bitcoin system just makes money. Real money. And when you're making money like this, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 a day and more, money you can spend or save or give away, money you can do whatever you want with. Life is good. You'll see. And today, right now, the Bitcoin system can be yours for free. That's not a typo. You can get this incredible program on your computer and making money like I've shown you just minutes from now for free. What's the catch? I'm not going to BS you. There is a catch, and I will be making some money off you, but only from your Bitcoin system profits, and only 10%. Is that fair? When you make $20,000, I'll make $2,000, and you'll keep $18,000. That's fair, right? When you make money, I'll make money. If you don't make money, I won't make money. And no, you won't need a fortune to start off with. And there's no monthly billing or surprise credit card charges down the road. You profit, then I'll profit, period. Click that Order Now button down there. When you push it, you're getting the Bitcoin system for free. I'll give you more details when you get inside. And when you do, if you don't like what you see, if you think I'm full of it, if you don't want any part of it, and you want to go back to doing whatever it is you've been doing, that's fine. Good luck with that. You and I both know how that's going, don't we? Click Order Now, right now. You'll be able to download the powerful Bitcoin system software for free. The same program others are using to have profitable days like this. Click the button below right now. You have absolutely nothing to lose because it's not going to cost you one penny. Click the button below right now.